Build residual income with 80% commission. How to build residual income with just 30 referrals? Do you want residual income? That's how it works. It works while you sleep. Our affiliate marketing program allows you to earn $128 for every person you refer. With just 30 customers, you can reach your goal for $3,000 a month, faster than anything you could imagine. Here's how it works. You'll earn $128 per customer. After referring 30 customers, that's $3,000 a month. You're building financial freedom while gaining support from our live masterminds. We have 11 masterminds a week. You can always get your questions answered and the training you need directly from 6- and 7-figure earners. No more being confused. No more guessing. Are you ready to get started on your journey of residual income? Click the link in my bio, and I'll see you on the other side.